Hi, soulmates. This is SBE Fashion Institute here, and today I'll be taking you through bust caging technique. If this looks like something you are interested in, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification icon to be notified whenever I upload a video. These are the materials you will need. Now let's begin. Now, as you can see, two of the patterns are very similar. So in order to avoid mixing them up, make sure you mark on each of the pieces. Now, I'll be using this particular cap for a mesh corset. That's why I have added a Java mesh so that when I insert the caps in my corset, it will blend very well and it won't look different. Now, let's join our pieces. Align the edge of each piece to the corresponding piece and sew. With the same process, join all the other pieces too. Now our cups are ready, so we'll mark 0.5 inches around the cup to serve as guidelines for our caging. Now with the in lines, we already have this seam and then we have this seam too. So since the other seam is short, you extend it upwards just like I'm doing. Yes. And then you will divide the left side of the cup also into two. The right side also into two. The down part, yes, just like I'm doing. And you also divide the upper part too into two. So now this is what we have. Let's start caging our cup. So with the exception of the outer lines, you can start sewing your boning on either the horizontal lines first or the vertical lines first. This particular boning I'm using is the 6mm. That one is very small and it's easy to manipulate. Now I'm done sewing the horizontal lines, so let's continue with the vertical lines. After sewing our boning on all the inner lines, we can go ahead and sew our boning on the outer lines as well. The ironing was done behind the scene. Now we have our deep and neatly sewn cap. Let's go ahead and flesh our cap. So cover the cap with fiber, pin it down just as I'm doing. Now we'll go ahead and stitch on the outer boning. Yes, just like how I'm doing it. After sewing, you go ahead and trim off the excess fiber. Now we'll go ahead and cover our beautifully fleshed cap with our fashion fabric. To do that, we will align the upper part of our fashion fabric and our caged cap just as you see in the video. Mark 0.5 inches, exactly the measurement we added before caging. So that's actually the measurement I added as my sewing allowance when I was cutting out the patterns. Yes, so that's 0.5 inches. So if you added 1 inch or 0.25 inch to yours, you can mark 0.5 inches or the 1 inch at this point before you sew. After sewing, you clip the sewing allowance to make the turning easy. So you go ahead and turn the inside out, and then you pull it to cover the fiber very well. So in doing this, you will make sure that all your seams are aligning that of the fashion fabric and the caged cap. So you pull it, and then now this is what we have. Very nice. So you take it to the ironing table, fold ½ inch inside, and then you iron it. So first you can pin it down just like I'm doing. Just like this. So you do same with the fashion fabric too. Now this is what we have after ironing. So you take the pins out, pull your fashion fabric to cover the fleshed cap, and now you can go ahead and pin them together. Yep, so this is our cup. Very beautiful and nice, very deep as well. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you.